Our prototype title is MediRobo, and our theme is Healthcare and Biomedical Devices. The IIC Institute name is Say the Institute of Technology. We have submitted a part of National Innovation Contest of Ministry of Education Innovation Cell and AICTE. Some specific roles for each member in our team. The role of Bhargavi Sandhya is technical developer and validate the product. Jaypriya and Jayvarati are product developer and marketing the product. And our mentor name is Dr. Saikat Maiti. Our institute faculty mentor's name Dr. Tamilchelvi, professor at Electronic Communication Engineering, and Dr. Parisa Begum, assistant professor Electronic Communication Engineering in SAID Institute of Technology.
Introduction. There is a lot of care need for aged people to carry out their day-to-day life. So we are in need to move towards robotic applications. The major victims were aged people and differentially abled persons where they can't take their medicines by themselves. We created a solution for this problem. We designed MediRobo by using a processor to give medicine to the patients on time. In addition, an alarm is fixed to indicate the delay in the providing medicines. We created a schematic representation for our project. Our product is designed based on processor. Here we use time module to indicate time. During the time interval, information about the medicine is displayed in processor through LCD display unit. The instruction is processed in the processor and the command is given to the DC motor for movement. The medicine is picked by 6 servo arm. The proximity sensor is used to sense the location of a people and move the location and deliver the medicine on the particular time.
When it comes to novelty in our solution, hospitals are the first implement of mobile robotics. Social robots in service are an emerging topic in service research. The novelty of this mission in terms of scalability is achieved by the utilization of low cost materials and components. Also, the custom design of the servo based cell has more than 90% counting efficiency. Our revenue model. Our prototype revenue is based on interviews with orthopedics and then the users of current devices by using conjoint pricing assessment methods. Our product is an equipment. The working principle. Our MediRobo is proposed on three units. In input unit, it contains timer module and proximity sensor. To indicate dosing schedule duration, timer module is used. The proximity sensor sends the location of patient. In processing unit, it processes all the information from input unit. In output unit, it consists of servo arm unit, display module, and communication module. Display module display the drug delivery of patient and communication module consists of GSM, which sends information of drug delivery to remote physician.
This is the coding we had used for the movement of the arm. In this video, duty cycle indicates the cycle of operation of the device which operates intermediately rather than continuously. This is the BeagleBone processor which we used for coding the program. This is the arm which works based on the coding given on the processor. We are from Save Institute of Technology. We develop a product which is helpful for aged people to take their medicine on time. What did you feel about our project?
Yeah, I feel very comfort if there is a product like this in the market which is helpful for us to take medicine from our place on a time. This is very useful for old aged people and disabled people.
Finally, thank you, Ministry of Education Innovation Cell and AICTE.